Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial in OpenBox Tech channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the File Explorer keep crashing in your Windows 10 PC. So first of all, what you need to do is just go to the search bar here and search for Run here, and this will show you the Run app here. So click on Run app, or you can also open the Run app here. Just right click on it in the Windows here, Start menu, and you will see option called Run here. So click on Run, and what you have to do is just uh, paste the location here, which I have here in the description box. So you can just copy and paste the location command here in the run option here. So now just have to click OK here. After click OK, then this window will show, and this is the cache memory of the file explorer here, which is lots of cache memories here. What you need to do is just delete all the file explorer cache memory here. So you just have to choose all the file here and just delete it. Sometimes the file explorer is just eating more space with this cache memory here. So what you need to do is delete all the files from here, and the next thing you have to do is just restart your computer and hope this will fix your Windows File Explorer from keep crashing. So if that doesn't work for you, what you need to do is go to the start menu here, then go to settings here, and you need to check your Windows is up to date here. So go to update and security and Windows Update here, and you have to check for updates here. So my Windows is up to date here. So if your Windows is not up to date, you have to update your Windows. It will show you a download now option. So you have to update your Windows and hope this will fix your file explorer from keep crashing. So hope you found this video helpful. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.